to bring the experts from all over the world, I should say, and from many states of India together through this conference. And in this conference, our Honorable Chancellor Mehboob Haq has been very kind to support and to motivate. Always his vision is that our university should emerge as the global university and should contribute in all the sphere, whether it is the social science or science technology, but how we can help the community and develop the Northeast through the education. And our Dean, School of Social Sciences, Professor A.C. Talukdar, who has been very active always and guiding course for our social science teachers as well as students. Professor Velika Natalo Mikhailova, Deputy Director for Research Institute of Social and Political Researches from the Russian Academy of Science, Russia, who has been kind to support us and to deliver the experiences through this conference. Professor Sailen Sharma, Associate Vice President, and also the Academic Quality Assurance of Internationalization, Lee Shen Ki Foundation Chair, Professor of Pol Science, Linguine, Dr. our Navaran Purkasta, Head Department of Sociology, and also so actively taking lead in organizing this international conference. So many experts like Dr. Abha Chauhan, Head Department of Sociology from University of Jammu Kashmir, Dr. Samiksha Sharma from University of Aligarh Muslim University, Dr. Sophia Sotlaki from University of London. So many experts are there. I was just going through this organizing committee and their program. This is very intensive program covering various aspects of this seminar. And as I was telling that this is one of the most developing area in sociology, because sociology has totally got transformed by the technology. In last 2 decades, technology has played a major role in bringing the new aspects of the social theory, the theory of sociology, analogous forms of the various theories, and it has helped in understanding better way from local social aspects to the global aspects. And this technological approach has also changed our mindset. It has brought us an opportunity to interact with the people in a larger area, at a national and international area, and to upgrade our approach towards the humanity, as well as how this data can be interpreted, how we can use the technology to know that how far those theories which were more concerned and more relevant to the national level or to the regional level, how they can also be applied at international level. So such kind of the change and relevance has been brought by the social media. Particularly now, we hardly find any person who is not using social media for their own study, for their application. There's some of the social media like our WhatsApp and also some of those Twitter and Instagram, they have become so common. So this our internet facility has been one of the most transforming facility in case of the social studies, bringing interaction from people to people of not only of one region, not only bringing through this the mass conversion of these ideas, but also giving an opportunity to solve our problem, to know the problems under different climatic conditions, under different social structures, and therefore the social media has become one of the most important aspect in understanding the theories at different levels. Earlier in beginning when this technology came, the blogging was one of the most common media or common platform which was used by the sociologist, and it was giving a vast audience and also to convey our the thinking, our knowledge to through which the others people had the interaction. That interactive kind of the things was helped through this initial blogging technology. But now, as I told that this has brought a many more social media which has caused digital transformation of sociology. Particularly, this ICT has revolutionized the sociology, and therefore we can say now digital humanities. We are going to be the more skilled with the use of the technology, and what we find that less skilled interactions can be achieved through the machine interaction, what we call IoT or artificial intelligence. So some of those facts, the analog kind of the social theories are getting transformed, and this digital database has been a very strong feature for bringing, testing the analog theory and transforming the social theory into giving rise to new platform for developing the new aspects of the theory. I am sure that this kind of the seminar will help in working different metrics of our social linkages, and also with the kind of this outcome which we can say that our relationship will enlarge in having interaction, in developing new ideas, and also in application of our ideas into more application oriented, and we can say a new social skill development can take place through this our interaction. So I once again congratulate all the faculty members. Dr. N.I. Laskar has recently published 2 books, so he is already so much involved in academic, and particularly with this newly emerged that COVID-19, how it has affected our social life. So these other aspects which have also been associated with technological transformation through social media will be the part of discussion, interaction, and this international conference will be proving a best platform to exchange our ideas. And I am sure that in this way, we will be able to bring the sociologist through their ideas, through their interaction into a new social media's change and application, because many of these social media which are still coming up, which are changing our way of life, which are changing our thinking, can also be bringing together our this platform. So I once again congratulate and thanks the organizers, particularly our head of the Department of Sociology and all faculty members who have prepared so nicely this international seminar in our University of Science Technology, Meghalaya. Thank you very much.